This is my first attempt at Thai green curry. I got the rundown from some friends. I'm not feeling very confident because I'm not much of a cooker. But I felt inspired, so I'm gonna give it a try. Alrighty, I think I have all the prep done. I don't know if I did it right. I don't know if I have enough of everything, but I did it all. I got it. So let's cook it. It's the moment of truth. It's as done as it's gonna be. Let's see how it tastes. Not bad. Not bad. That's good. I'm proud of myself. Spicy, flavorful. Oh, it's so spicy. My eyes are on fire. Thanks, fellas. Bubs, Dalen, shout out. This is so spicy. Well, I hope this was as fun for you as it was for me. I definitely learned something about myself, about curry, maybe about you too. Who knows? Until next time, Thai green curry. This can be the bonus footage.